Oh, midnight in the sky, swagger keep him high night. He can leave the skyscraper, show you what the mind is made of. A little bit of steel and a whole lot of God's will. Even if he beats his odds, he'll still be another hero in disguise. But I think you'll fly like Superman, baby. You. To my sons that's yet to come, young cousins, play brothers and nephews, I pray this affects you. My little effort to rescue, my little effort to reach. I gotta put aside my ego. I can't be your superhero. There are some things only a black man can teach a young black man waiting to be. All right. Like how to be a man. All right. Like how to fight, how to survive, how to look fear square in the eyes, hold his nuts and piss standing up, how to drive stick and talk shit, turn his little dick into a bad decision. Maneuver and manipulate women. Talking about bros before hoes. Talking about no hoe can be wifey. Man, that wife thing be lifey, but that flighty one night delight left stripes on early prediction litmus. Left mourning sickness and living witness to the lessons given to some little men waiting to be the things their older cousins, daddies, and uncles practice and preach, like how to open a bottle of beer, how to hold back genuine tears, hold your liquor and your chick, clean your gun and your Air Force Ones, line up sights, shoot wrong, shoot right, shoot twice, watch the light drift from the white of his eyes. Don't jump. Don't flinch. Jump shots, jump fences, jump cars, stood up straight at the end of the bar, conceal when it's hard, stay real with them paws, and most of all, never let your pockets get on Atkins low carb. Can't starve. Gotta eat. Gotta know how to treat these niggas out here in these streets. Keep your back to your wall and your fist to your jaw. Ain't no picture for paws. Better find you some balls, little man. Right? Better find you some heart, little man, because before they can call you a man, this world will tear you apart, little man. What are you smiling for? Smiles are for women and children. It ain't no niggas smiling in prison. Because the folk around you keep on living without you or with you. So cop your fistful and your pistol, or let your mental be your missile, and let these nothing niggas miss you. Because this world is out to get you. You better get you some of it while you got some gold forgetting. And don't you go forgetting what you learned while you earn your war wounds, stepping out the front door and stepping into the war room. You better learn to stand the sight of your own blood and the smell of your own spit, because when it all falls apart, ain't none of your homeboys or no chick gonna be there to help you deal with the aftermath. Man, you got no plan. You got no purpose. This 2019, a brother with no hustle, but this little fool's out here searching for courage, getting murdered. And the further we get away from this type of living, the better, because ain't nothing about it beautiful. Ain't y'all sick of pouring juice for the youth, vodka for the partners, black suits and funerals, homies gone too soon, baby mama and junior posted in the front pew, little dude to grow up to act like a dad he never even knew. Little man, take advantage of the lessons you get told. These fools want to take your life. This world wants to steal your soul. It's up to you to protect them both, to practice your actions and tailor your speech. And to be real, even still, you might still end up another casualty of these streets. Another, just don't be another sucker to the system. Don't be another product of conditioning. Don't be another panting Pavlov's dog, baby. When you are really a man of God, you like Superman. Scared can stay blacker than molasses on an African or midnight in the sky. Swagger keep him high like he could leap a skyscraper. Show you what the mind is made of, steel and God's will. Even if he beats his odds, he'll still be just another hero in disguise. But I see you, black man, and you fly like Superman. We see you, black man, and you fly like Superman. We need you, black man, to fly like Superman. Baby, you. That's that Lauryn Hill, even after all my logic and my theory. Soulja Boy down. Oh, goodness. If y'all can't tell, I'm hella black and I love it. I love people who I know God didn't make no errors in this skin complexion right here. When he mixed this person up right here and brought me down to the earth, he put the perfect 470-degree bake on this cake. You understand me? And I believe in the positive spirit of us. So I'm going to spread that around a little bit more, if that's all right. Say, all right. All right. Okay. Well, this is a ratchet-ass poem I wrote. It ain't even ratchet, it's just got a ratchet spirit. And it's really for all the black girls in the room, because we stay sprinkling and twinkling. That's that, you know, that black girl magic all over the place. So, if I can get there. Oh! Love my people. Ooh! You know when you rap, you gotta get like a little bit ignorant, like. Okay. Look, I seen him looking. Couldn't figure out what it was that got him looking. But now his vision stuck on what I'm cooking. I've been whipping that what's up. I put my foot in. And he can't get enough of this most high melanin Merlin swirling. Of this roots watching and follicle curling. Baby, this go so. What else are they supposed to do? But envy you with all that black girl magic. Hey, all that black girl magic. Black girl say, black girl magic. Oh, screaming and twinkling. All that black girl magic. All right, y'all was ready. That's all I need to know. We real trio, kill, bill, precision, incision, invincible women. Oshun with a sword. Womb can't afford to have born nothing less than the Lord, or more with a double O-R, black God, black king. He royal because he beams from our mothership. Yeah. We universe and covenant. We supernatural sustenance. We vitamins and supplements. We herbs and seasonings. I say we herbs and seasonings. That means it ain't no bland ass potato salad with the rice and salad. Because we herbs and seasonings. We celestial beings. We planet, implemented planet with the advantage of growing a seed up to be love, and we paid the cost to be the boss with the sauce, so it ain't no love lost. This love ain't meant to lose. This love is built to win. It's coming from within. It's doing it without any shadows of a doubt. We've been about this life. Manifesting manna from the manner of our mandibles. Tangible healings. Actual miracles. Watching these words work ought to put God's fear in you. It ought to put God's love in you. It ought to put God's trust in you. But you be acting brand new, God. Like you never knew God. Never knew that you God. And it shows. Some of y'all got y'all whole cars exposed. And we see you. We see you pretending you mended. But baby, your heart ain't in it. Your soul is broken. You barely living. You coasting. This world been choking the life out of you. The bullshit been beating the fight out of you. And my nigga, you been knocked the fuck out. But these black girls got this love that says, baby, get the fuck up. Like a morning mother shoulder shake. Ain't nobody got time to play, little nigga. We finna be late. Wake your big ass up. Folgers in your cup. Starbucks in your belly. Chick-fil-A done fucked around and opened up on Sunday. Type of miracles and blessings. Yes, we all of that shit. So black girl, be all of that shit. Be a goddess. Be a bitch. Be a fairy princess. Be a witch. Be a president. Be a gift. Be a present with a presence that uplifts like warm weather. Be indifferent. Be indignant. Be whatever makes you clever, happy, healthy, wealthy, and wise. Do that thing that keeps your edges strong, your booty big, and your love life alive. And if one of these suckers has tried you one too many times, and before you blow this whole office building floor up, as per my motherfucking email, before you blow this building up or ball up inside and cry, I'm gonna need you to chuck your chin to the sky and keep loving yourself. Keep forgiving yourself. Keep hugging yourself. Cleanse yourself. Sage that shit. Embrace that shit. Get in front of a floor-length mirror, butt naked, baby! You better shake that shit. It's okay to be a human being that makes mistakes. You just move with grace while you take up space and fuck. I mean, you motherfucker. Anybody trying to convince you that you're not great, cause baby, you awesome, you special, you helpful, you be trying harder, you be pushing yourself farther than even you thought you could go. You be in it when your anxiety is crippling and totally out of control, cause you already know this world don't stop turning when it's tears burning in a black girl's eyes, or blood pouring from a black girl's thighs, or a baby hanging off a black girl's breast, or because you've endured all you could and more at the end of stage 4 and you don't have no hair or no breasts or no more decidedly identifiably female features left. You still the kind that cares less what the careless characterizes qualified. They can't quantify your metaphysics. They can't comprehend your digits, but they keep counting on you, tearing motherfucking, as per my email, keep counting on you to do what you do so well, excel, when they keep putting us at these obvious disadvantages. They keep killing our sons, they're killing us, they're killing our men, they keep putting us at these obvious disadvantages. And somehow we manage to keep on winning. Because we phenomenal black women. We've been here since the beginning. We the origins of divas and prima donnas. We the Madonna, the Ma'at, the Makita, the mitochondria Eve, the healer. I'm talking about a Henrietta Lack kind of black. We got DNA, the most dynamic doctor still can't crack. We so magic. Oh, we so motherfucking fantastic that those who can't have it and be it will be inclined to try to beat it and be even more maligned when we remain undefeated. Out here dodging demons like Neo in the Matrix. By the way, y'all know that's the movie a black woman wrote and created. We amazing. And they hate it. They hate it because they can't take it. How we be solving it. How we be evolving it. Just by being involved in it. And we got the unmitigated gall of it to be out here being all of it. With all your multi-melanin Merlin swirling. With your roots watching and follow curling. Baby, your cocoa glow go so. What else are they supposed to do? But envy you with all that black girl magic. You better spring yourself with all that black girl magic. Lil, let's spring somebody else with all that black girl magic. this. You're gonna be at work with your hand like this. They're gonna be like, what you doing? I'm working up my sprinklers. I'm working them up, because y'all working my nerves, so let me work them on up. Change the situation right quick. Work it on up. Some of y'all fellas can't hit with your girls tonight. It's gonna take them 20 minutes longer to get out the shower, because they're gonna be in the shower doing this shit right here. I love it. Because my thing is like you heard the quote about the black woman being like the least protected, the least respected, all of that. And I feel like on top of that, we are also the healers, not just for ourselves, but for everybody. And we are always looking like, who heals the healer? Who gives us just a second of solace? So that poem is like, for y'all, it's the place of solace. If don't nobody else tell y'all, if you don't never have a battery charge nowhere else, let that poem be your USB port. Okay. What we want to do next? Ooh, okay. Okay, so I have to do, I got plenty of time. I got a little time. Y'all ready? Plenty of time. Now that we done invigorated ourselves on the black man and the black woman, now we just gonna tell a good old-fashioned love story, right? And every love story starts with a fuck-ass nigga. So if you're in a really, really good place in your relationship tonight, right now, I'm really sorry for what's about to happen. And I'm just saying. And I also want to say that it's something about losing that last 5 pounds you couldn't budge. Yes. Or about getting your credit score up out the orange part on Credit Karma. Or like you finally got your baby out of a C+ average into a B- average, and she ain't got to go to summer school this summer for the first time in 6 summers, and y'all finna go to Six Flags every other weekend like a boss. Like, just as soon as you start living your best life, that's when they want to come back around in your inbox talking about, I see you doing good. Do you see me, sir? So I wrote this poem for these looking ass niggas to see me. Doing good. And I just want him to stay out my inbox, talk about, see, he texts me. So impersonal. Text me, I miss you. And I'm all at once flattered and disgusted. Like, oh girl, look, he's still thinking about me. And then I'm like, oh hell. This nigga still ain't about nothing. But I have too much substance to reply with anything less than polite or negative. So instead he gets, thank you for thinking of me and the peace that I bring. Or, peace king, sleep release king, because I cannot bring myself to say, I miss you too. I still remember all the stupid shit you did. And I don't want to be another anything in your kingly realm. I'm not trying to be another treasure you keep trapped on a shelf or an endeavor you think you have to help. Remember, you already had me. You stashed me where I wouldn't interrupt your flow, where I wouldn't disrupt your stroll. So miss me while I find a life that feels good to my soul. Miss me while I become a wife to someone who understands how I roll. Miss the love you felt when I dealt and you decided to fold. Remember? You felt my best wasn't worth your investment. So miss all of me. Miss the chef and miss the late night chill smoke sessions. Miss the shit you told me you couldn't tell anybody else in you really don't miss me anyway. You miss the idea of me. Yes. You miss the feeling of me in the air. You miss how when I was around it seemed like nobody else was there. You miss how I shared my heart and you thought that elsewhere the grass would get greener, or that somehow I could become lesser, or you realized that indulging me would require some actual fucking efforts. And you left my love right where it was, untouched. And now your life is too much and your heart is aching. Now them alternate plans you had in the making are coming back around to bite you in the ass. Now it's looking real yellow around here, where you thought it was gonna be greener grass. Now him is sad. Oh. Now him is afraid. Now him want to reminisce on the old days. Baby, you miss my old ways, the way I used to do things when I was in love with you. I don't miss what your type of love and do. I don't miss you. I don't miss how you make me feel. I don't miss how you sold me lies on the dream you never intended on making real. I don't miss working so incredibly hard for the smallest part of your empty heart while you go wherever you are to do whatever you do. Y'all dated this nigga too? You don't never have time to check up on me because you only and ever care about you. I don't miss us. Ew. There's no us to miss. I don't miss this false sense of a relationship that doesn't and never did exist. See, you miss me because you remember my gentleness and my loyalty. I remember how you treated my compassion like a doormat. You miss being able to walk all over me like I don't matter. You miss me. Oh, I'm flattered. And disgusted. So miss me like a crackhead misses their choice substance. I miss you like I miss having a whole lot of nothing. I miss you like I miss an extra hole in the head, or sunburn, or taxes, or cramps. Yeah. Miss me like you wish you missed this motherfucking rent. I miss you like I miss being the fat girl picked last in gym class. Yeah, girl, like that. Like every miserable memory that I can muster. I miss you like an abusive lover, because that's really what you was, neglectful and callous and a stupid ass bastard, thinking that I like moving backwards, back to the way you remember things being, calling me, talking about, oh girl, you know you always be there for me. What? Talking about, oh girl, man, you always know what to say to a nigga when shit in my life go left field. What? Because let's keep it real. Who's healing the kid? Who's handling my soul? Who's pulling my pieces back together when I'm broke? You missed that, didn't you, with your missing ass? You missed how I became disgusted with me for allowing someone like you to treat me like a second-hand citizen. The same one you've been missing since you stopped feeling that princess you left me to go find. You missing your water, but baby, this it's dry. So don't miss me.